3,000 years ago, Hippocrates said, no manner of brains is worth a good set of bowels. Hey, it's Dr. Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. And what he meant by that was that when your guts are not happy, the rest of you is not happy. And in the recent literature, they have identified chronic illnesses, almost all of them, including autoimmune diseases and even some cancers, will start in the gut either through an imbalance in the microbiome or a dysfunction of the gut lining epithelium or both. So, what do you do about that if you're tired, you've lost your focus, maybe you have a chronic medical illness like high blood pressure, diabetes? What if you've gained some weight and you can't lose it, or you have an autoimmune disease? Where do you start? The internet is full of all kinds of information, usually promoting supplements, and supplements are awesome to support us. However, a supplement alone cannot do this work. It's important for you to know exactly how your environment, both in what you consume, what you see, what you hear, what makes contact with your skin, interacts with every aspect of your body, what that does to your gut microbiome, and how that can change your physiology. It's a complicated topic. And because it's a complicated topic, I put together a program called Gut Check, and it is available right now online as a big program. I have hundreds of patients that are following along in this program, and it is making an enormous impact in their lives. If there was one feedback I've gotten from people, it's number one, it's a little pricey at $177. It's a great value when you consider it's 40 years worth of my experience of review of the medical literature, as well as my 32 years of experience with clinical patients. It's cheaper than the price of a first time office visit to see me for sure. And it encompasses 100 different concepts that you can gradually go through over the course of 3 to 12 months. Now, some people don't have $177 all at once. We're in a tough economy. And so I was asked if I could turn it into a subscription service. So we're taking that program, we're revamping it, turning it into a monthly subscription. This allows me to throw in some emergency broadcasts and some bonus content and allow people to have a little bit more direct interaction with me as kind of your gut Sherpa. Now, the normal price for that is $7.99 a month. And it's going to take 100 months to get through all of the content. If you sign up today, we'll give you a discount to $5.99 a month. Now, you can cancel anytime you want to and then hop back in. People who subscribe will have access, as I said, to bonus content and even to some question and answer type sessions. And so I definitely think it is worth you joining me. We've had great reviews so far. Leave the word gut check in the comments and we'll send you a link on how to sign up. And I certainly hope you do join us because the time is now. Make yourself healthy again.